How can we work with individuals to get them hands-on training to prepare them to walk into industry and to be able to instantly add value and continue to work on that skill set? The City of San Antonio selected the Texas Fast Track 10-week accelerated training program focused on developing multi-skilled maintenance technicians for manufacturing as part of their Apprenticeships Build America grant that they received. Our students are prepared at the end of this program to enter into the workforce. We have an 87% placement rate.
Avanzar was founded in 2005. We're a Tier 1 automotive supplier to Toyota, Texas, and Mexico. We make automobile interiors like seating systems, door systems, and overhead systems. I think it's beneficial to have hands-on training and to have experience before you hit the shop floor, so you know what you're doing, you've gone through the muscle memory, and when you get here, it's less intimidating and you're ready to go.
Due to the school, it actually did help my confidence. When I walked in, I knew exactly what I was looking at. Things were just a little bit bigger, 10 times bigger. That right there set me apart from other people.
To date, we've hired 15 team members through the program. It's highly beneficial to us because they come to our shop floor ready to go. They've been prepared by people from the industry.
Here at Texas Fast Track, our program is 30% classroom-based, but 70% hands-on. We really want them to have a realistic experience of what they are going to see when they're in the workforce environment.
I think we do very well compared to a lot of people that enter in that do not have the knowledge base that we picked up through this program.
If you have any hesitancy in joining in this program, it's not as hard as you think. It's plug and play from my perspective. We get candidates that are ready to hit our shop floor on day one. We have a two-way communication with the provider to tell them the skills that we are looking for, and they are very receptive and responsive.
This is really a blessing and a great opportunity for everyone involved.
Graduates are making an average of $27.20 an hour, and most of them were either underemployed or unemployed before they come to us. We're very grateful that the City of San Antonio saw the value in training our Bexar County neighbors for such a great career path. We're changing lives together.
I've got purpose.
This type of career possibility is endless.